Yo, what's good guys? So today is day 80. So ang layo ng lakto ko, no? So it's been a long time since yung last na record ko ng video, and sobrang tagal na talaga actually. But yeah, we're back. So I low-key fell out. Not gonna lie. But nagpahinga kasi ako nun pang 2 weeks din. So actually January 15 na ngayon, but we're back. We're fucking back, bro. So yeah, actually sa store, balita nga pala sa store is still getting sales. So in January 1 up until 15, meron na tayong yan 2.1k. So not bad considering na hindi pa naman ako ganun like nagpo-post ng mga ads and shit. So yeah, but I'm surprised na hindi pa pala ganun nagda-die out yung product since katapos ng December, since pump and dump to, since akala ko magda-die out siya kasi like I said, pump and dump siya, and yung pala actually pwede siya ma-brand. So ayun yung bala ko. So I'm gonna keep on doing what I'm doing for the store, and yeah guys, hopefully mahit natin yung $100k in Q4 this year. But as of sa store na to, we've made 25k in revenue, so around 1.5 million pesos. And then masyadong distracted ako actually kasi puro kami gala, kasi nakabilang ng sasakyan. So gala, family, shit like that. So kaya medyo nag-fill up ako ng onte. But nag-start ulit ako actually kahapon. Ako nag-start na ulit mag-post ng mga ads and shit. So ang bala ko is mag-update na lang ako ng sales after a week, like every week, no? By the end of the week doon ako mag-update. So next na update ko na ng sales is siguro Sunday, no? Sa Sunday. So it's gonna be third week na. So actually bahala ko lang talaga sa store na to, kahit kumita ako at least 2k every month, just to, you know, magkano na rin yung 2k a month, not bad, no? Considering ano naman tayo usually ginagawa. So sa store na to, and nakafocus tayo sa ibang products na ngayon. So yeah, busy lang talaga ako sa family, and matagal kasi ako hindi kami nag-bonding ng family ko since puro work or puro grind. So yun yung naisip kong time para mag step backward ng onte, and para spend ng time sa family ko. And yeah, so yun lang, back to grind na ulit tayo. So medyo napabayaan yung YouTube channel, but like I said, it's just for my documentation, and wala naman talaga siyang ibang purpose, or kahit kung monetize siya, I don't really care at all, since this is for para ma-document ko yung sarili ko. So we're back guys, we're fucking back bro. So day 80, so 15 days. So ang iniwanan ko yung channel from day 65 until now, day 80 na. So yeah, medyo malaking gap, no? Hindi ako talaga nag-record, as in I took a time off talaga para nga sa sarili and family, and yeah, and actually meron tayong fucking 4 disputes in total. So I have to fucking take care of them, and in total ang disputes na natin is almost 25k in pesos na. So yeah, hold yung mga pera na yun. So I think there's no way na mananalo tayo dun, since problema sa shipping, sobrang delay na yung iba, like for fucking a month now or month and a half. So I'm expecting more disputes this coming days, but that's fine, it's a part of the fucking business, you know. I don't know kung naririnig nyo, but wala yung mic, hindi ko makita. So yeah, yun lang muna ang update ko ngayon guys, really quick lang. And bukas mag-update ulit ako, just quick update lang, like as always. But yeah, see you guys in the next video or update. Peace.